Hey, I'm going to show you real quick how we make our tea light houses. Grab two little sticks. They're about 1/8 of an inch, so they're not very thick. You don't want those houses to have really thick walls. They get too heavy. So here it is, 1/8 of an inch. Can you kind of see? And when you already rolled it out, make sure you flip it over, roll it again, flip it over. So it's nice and even until when you roll over it, over your sticks, the clay doesn't move out anymore. So that means you have to even clay, even thickness. Then the little templates I gave you, that's what we're going to use, okay? They're like 3 inch wide, 3 inch wide. So to make a square, you will just cut it 3 inch right there for a side. But the first thing you will do is just carefully, what I'm doing, my needle is leaning against my template while I cut. So right here too, against my template to use it as a guide. And the first thing you'll do is just cut a strip of clay right here. And then with this clay, these are going to be our houses. So for my bottom, I want a square because then I can use this template for all walls. Okay. If you make more a rectangle, you need a thinner side for the sides or the front, depending how you create your house. So since this is 3 inches, actually it's a little bit more. We'll go over here. So you might want to measure it. I thought I did 3 inches, but this is 3 inch, and there you go, a little bit right there. Measure that and then cut. Cut that off. So this is my bottom. I'm not using. It was sticking a little bit. So that's my bottom right there. That's my first one. Didn't do it right. A real quick video how we're making our lighthouses, little houses for tea lights. The first thing you'll do is roll your slab. We use 1/8 of an inch sticks or smaller. We want really thin walls. They're going to be pretty small. So roll your slab, flip it over, and then remember after you flipped it over, if you roll it again, it doesn't move out anymore. Whoops. Okay. It's not a very good piece right there, but so I gave you these templates. They're about 3 inches wide. And that's all you're going to use. Okay. I'm just measuring it. So the first thing you will do is cut out that template I gave you. And when you cut, you hold your needle up as straight as you can. And I'm holding it against my template. So I use that as a guide. Cut it out. So the bottom, these are going to be your walls, your roof. It's going to be the guide or the base for all the sides of your house, including the roof. You don't need these anymore. If you need to cut another piece of your template, you might need it, but right now you don't. So to make a square, and they're not all exactly 3 inches, so the best thing for you to do is just use this small side that you cut out, lay it this way, and then see how it went back, because if I just kept going it would pull the clay out on that side. So there's your, doesn't look like a square. It's kind of funny actually that it doesn't look like a square, but it is. So that's your bottom right there. Then the rest of your clay, you will make your sides and your top. So I'm going to make a side. You'll have a front. So I'll lay my bottom aside. You let that dry. So the side of my house, I want a pointed roof. You can put it exactly in the middle if you want. You can move it over a little bit, whatever you want. Okay. So I'm moving this over. I get a kind of like a funky top. Then I'm going to decide how tall I want it. It's kind of up to me. I cut it right there. I like that size. So now for the sides, I need one that is this tall and one that is that tall. So all I need to do is just put my clay on the side. This is going to be line it up right there. Actually, this would probably be smarter. Right there. Cut it. So this is that side. I need to cut a little bit of this one. Line it up again. And there are my two sides already. I got a bottom, front, and two sides. So now I need to create my roof. And so all I need to do, because it's just a square, okay, I put that on the inside. I don't like that little piece. It's really wet, my clay, so I need to let it dry for sure. So I cut out another strip out of my template. It's right here. And that's going to be my roof. So how you make your roof is you just line it up. So make sure the bottom is the side, is the width, okay? Because the bottom needs to be, so it's kind of the longer side is the bottom of your template. And then right there, just use this. There you go, okay. Just move it down a little bit. Same for the other side. So I'll use my width. So this side, short side, is the width. Let me be a little bit more organized. There we go. And I line it up by that corner. Have it nice and straight. So I line this one up and I line that one up. And then I cut that as well. Oops. See, I didn't hold my needle against the cardboard and see what happens. I'm getting off of it. So that wasn't a perfect straight line. So I'm going to redo it again. Go up. Line these two edges up so I have exactly that width. Hold my needle against that cardboard to have a nice straight line. So there's my roof. It comes out like that. There's my side. Comes out like that. Oops. And there's my other side. There's my little house.